Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of the series on how to run Linux commands in your browser. So for today's activity, we are going to use the web resource called webminal. So we'll just go straight to it. So this is my Google page. I'm just going to search for it. It's webminal. Just search for this one here. That's the name. It's one word, but let's see. So let's say webminal Linux. Let's just do it that way. So you have the link there, the link being displayed here for you. So this is the page. Just click on it, and then you'll be sent to this page. But don't worry, if you don't have all those steps, I'll still leave the link to the page, the main page itself, in the description box. So this is webminal. This is the interface. So when you scroll down here, you will see some videos, some shots on how it is used and some features as well. So there are a number of features here that you can have for free if you just want to use it for some basic stuff. So you have 100 megabytes of storage space. You have up to 1,000 files that you can create, and there are a number of others you can also check. But let's move on. So the first thing you have to do is to register. Okay, so you need to get an account before you can use this online Linux system. So first of all, you need to register by clicking here and then fill in the information here. So you have your username, email address, passwords, and then you check this and then you register. So once you are done with this, then an activation link will be sent to your mail. So once the link is sent to you, just click on it and then you'll be directed to another page. So on clicking the activation page, you'll be sent back to this page again, indicating that you have successfully activated that account. So you now come here, terminal, this one here. So you click on it and then you have this window opening up. So here you enter your username and then you also enter your password. So once you've logged in successfully, you will have this popping up. So you have this text message being displayed here for you, indicating that you are now in the Linux environment. So you can zoom, make it bigger, then just type your commands. There's also a section here that you can play some tutorials that you want. So let's just say once, and let's do an ls. Yeah, so do an ls. So these are just Linux commands that you make. So let's say you are making a directory. So make that, let's say, Bioinformatics. You can just make it. You can just ls. You have it there. You can do a cd into it. Just like the basic Linux commands, you can just do all of them here. I'm just cding into it. I can just do a touch to create a file. Touch, let's say, my file.txt, just to create a text file. You can just do an ls. You can just go back where you do cd ... and you come back. So these are just basic Linux commands you can just do, and this comes in handy if, let's say, you have a Windows machine and you still want to practice and run your Linux. So you don't need to install the Linux locally on your PC, probably because of storage space and all that. This one will just help you out. So this is how we do it with the run of Linux commands online. You can just go back here. There's another thing you can also do. So this one, if, let's say, you wanted to run some commands as roots, okay, you can still come here, this one here, roots, and then just click on it, and then you have access to roots. But these are things we will explore later on. But there's another functionality, another resource that you can get to run your Linux commands as root. So this is how we do it. So I believe this has been helpful, and you can start practicing your Linux. I'm preparing some Linux tutorials themselves, so once that one is ready, I'll also post them on this channel. So In the next episode, we'll look at another online resource that you can use to practice and then run your Linux commands. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next session. Goodbye.